My name is Don Powers. I live here with my wife Dana and my two sons Theo and Nate. We have lived in Jamestown full-time for 4 years and summers for 15 years. Working with this old house and with Jeff Sweener in particular was a great experience. He didn't take any solution for granted. He knew I was going to want to weigh in on how everything was done. And having this old house as a sort of partner in the whole project meant that everybody felt invested in doing something great. With this house, we were interested in designing something that was a continuation of the neighborhood traditions of what I call the Jamestown bungalow, which is a pattern of, or a kind of traditional home here that everybody would recognize. So when we bought this place, we wanted to restore it to be seamless with that pattern in the neighborhood, but also to extend it and make it fully modern in every way that a family wants to live nowadays. So it was a combination of wanting to show how you make something that can fit into a historical neighborhood, but also show how that timeless design can be modern and fresh. So there are projects we do that are pretty standard and where you can go to any home center and pull the moldings or the materials right off the shelf and build a perfectly adequate home. This was not that. This was my own house that was going to be highly custom designed, and I needed a partner who would think through all of the various options, let me know options that I didn't know existed. And that's one of the things that Baird Brothers did is collaborate or have a conversation about. When I'd ask for this, they'd say, well, what about this? Maybe you could take this and do it this way. And that was a great experience to broaden my sense of what was possible with millwork. I would recommend Baird Brothers to others, but maybe not for the reason you might expect. What was unique was the level of service and the collaboration and the willingness to either find a solution for a design problem or find a solution for a timing or a shipping problem. And that means a lot to me as an architect. And my experience with Baird Brothers has been that the company behind the product is great, as well as the product.